Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we will going to learn about Cartesian product. So what is the definition of Cartesian product? The Cartesian product operation defines a relation that is concatenation of every tuple of relation R with every tuple of relation S. Tuple is the row in any DBMS and relation is the table in any DBMS. So by using projection operation, we can select columns, specific columns, like A is the column and R is a relation. So pi, which means that projection operation, going to select column. A is the attribute name over column name and R is the relation name. Cross symbol indicates that Cartesian product operation. So again, projection C, pi C, which means that we are going to select C attribute from S relation. So here is the relation name, which is S. The Cartesian product operation multiplies two relations to define another relation consisting of all possible tuples from the two relations. Suppose if the relation has x tuples over rows and n attributes and the other relation has y tuples and m attributes. The Cartesian product relation will be x multiplied by y and the number of attributes are m plus n. For example, R contains two rows and which is the x rows and y contains also two rows. The result will be 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. And same like R has two columns, 2, and S has also two columns. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 columns in the result. So if R has 3 rows, suppose that, and S has 2 rows, so 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6 rows in the result. So Cartesian product example. So we have two tables, one is R and another one is S. So R and S has 4 attributes, total 4 attributes, and rows are 2 2 in each. So 2 multiplied by 2, in result there are 4 rows. Each row from R going to make relation with each row from S, like 1A from 1A from R and 3C from S, like 1A from R and 4D from S, and 2 2 going to make relation with 3 4. Now we are going toward implementation. Open XAMPP server. Test data is our database. Citizen is the table name and property is also table name. So in property there are 2 rows or tuples, and in citizen also there are 2 rows or tuples. So 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. So the resultant table will be the 4. Select, make sure database is selected, which is test data, all from citizen, and by using keyword cross join, and the table name is property. So select all from citizen, which is the table name, and we are going to apply cross join, and the second table name is, so the first relation is citizen and the second relation name is the property. So copy the SQL and press Ctrl plus enter to execute the query, and look at here, the result is here. So 1 2 3 and 4 rows in the resultant table. And let's suppose add another row in property table, 3. So what will be the result? The result will be 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. And look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can get a meaningful result by using a selection operation with Cartesian product. So we can apply some filters, where clause, to get a specific record, and the result will be more meaningful and more concise. So thank you for watching this video.